Hello everyone, my name is Prachi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to share one honest thing with you. My English is not perfect. I am still learning English. I am still practicing. I am still make mistakes. I have decided that I will not stop speaking because of mistakes. Maybe you also feel the same. You understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind becomes blank. You feel afraid that people judge you. You feel your grammar is not perfect. If you also feel the same, this channel is especially for you. Question first. Why did I start this channel? To be honest, I was also very hesitant to speak English before. I thought that until grammar becomes perfect, I should not speak English. But later, I understood one important truth. English comes by speaking, not by only thinking. So I decided to share my real English learning journey with you. On this channel, you will get simple English speaking practice, daily use sentences, English blogs, confidence building tips, and real beginners mistakes and solution, all in very easy and simple English. This channel is for beginner. If you are a beginner, please never think that I can't speak English because I am also learner. We will learn together. On this channel, there is no shame, no judgment, only learning and confidence. Second question is, what will you get on this channel? Here I will share daily English speaking practice, real life useful sentences, tips to build confidence, how to remove fear of speaking, and my personal English learning journey. This means a step by step journey from beginners to confident speaker. A little request. If you also want to learn English, please become a part of this journey. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and write on sentence in the comment. I am ready to learn English. I read every comment. I try my best to reply. I just want to say one thing. People who speak perfect English today also learned it slowly with practice. And if I can learn English, then you can definitely learn too. So let's start this journey together. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.